Hello students. In this video we're going to show you how to convert units of volume. So for example, here I've got a cubic meter, which is 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. Excuse me. Now you could also think of that length there as being 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So if I want to convert 1 cubic meter into cubic centimeters, I have to convert 1 meter to 100 cubic centimeters for the length. Also, times 100 centimeters for the width, and times 100 centimeters for the height. So I need to multiply by 100 3 times. And that's because with cubic meters, it's length times width times height, 100 times 100 times 100. And final answer, I need a 1 followed by 6 zeros, put my commas in, and it turns out that 1 cubic meter has exactly the same volume as 1 million cubic centimeters. Okay, let's try a question, then you'll have a go at one yourself. So here I have 14.5 cubic centimeters. I want to convert that to cubic millimeters. Well, I'm converting big units to small units. If I take the same volume and chop it up into smaller pieces, I'm going to have more of them. That means I need to convert by multiplying. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So I have to multiply 14.5 times 10, but I need to do that 3 times. Once for the length, once for the width, and once for the height. To do that quickly, I've just moved my decimal point 3 places to the right. So 145, move it 1, move it 2, move it 3, and the volume measured in cubic millimeters is 14,500. Okay, why don't you have a go at the second one, converting 3.2 cubic meters into cubic centimeters. Okay, let's see how we went. So, before I write anything down, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. I'm converting big units to small units. So if I'm chopping something up into smaller units, I'm going to have more of them. So therefore I need to multiply, and I need to multiply by 100. So 3.2 times 100. But because this is volume, I've got to multiply by 100 3 times. If you watch the area video on conversions, we had to do something similar, but we only multiplied by 100 twice because that was just meters squared, just once for the length and once for the width. So it's very much related to doing other conversions. Finally, I need to move my decimal point 6 places to the right. So it was in front of the 2. That's 1 place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put in a comma, put in a comma, and there's my units there. So 3.2 cubic meters is 3,200,000 cubic centimeters. Okay, I'll do the first one, you do the second one. This time I'm converting cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters. I'm going from small units to big units. So if I'm chopping something up into bigger pieces, I'm not going to have as many of them. So therefore I need to divide. So I start with my original number of 8,000. And I've got to divide by 10, since there's 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. And I have to do it 3 times because this is a volume. That means I move my decimal point back 3 places, and I end up with 8,000 cubic millimeters equals 8 cubic centimeters. Okay, you have a go, please, at the next question, and then check your answer once you've finished. Okay, let's go through it and see how you fared. So I'm going to write down the number to start with. Now we're converting cubic centimeters into cubic meters. Well, there's 100 cubic centimeters, there's 100 centimeters in a meter, Because I'm converting from small units to big units, I'm going to have to divide. Because if I chop something up into big units, I get a smaller number of them. So I have to divide by 100, since there's 100 centimeters in a meter. But once again, I have to do that 3 times. If that had been an area, centimeters squared, I'd only would do this twice. Okay, I've got to move my decimal point back 2 places, 4 places, 6 places. So it's at the end of the number, 2, 4, 6. That means I need a 0 in there. And my final answer is 0.035 cubic meters. Okay, so once again, go to your textbook, find some questions on converting volumes, and go ahead and practice those. Thanks very much.